Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the daily candle, how it's finished, it gives us here a very nice pattern. And I'm going to tell you why you need to buy now, guys. A lot of people, they will tell you the Bitcoin is going to fall down, but me, I will tell you why you need to buy now. Go and check him in that video and I'm going to explain to you everything, guys. So for long-term investors, start this and forget about everything. But for us, in our technical analysis, guys, what else we said here, that the inside bar also we have. There is any candle came and close below that level? No, there is no candle came and close below that level here. Even that candle, which is going now here, that one who finished it today, it came to that level here, then it show here a tail indicating the market is going to reverse. Yes or no? And I got very nice information for you guys. So make sure to watch every single minute in that video. Don't skip nothing, because I know a lot of you they skipping and they try to make the video very fast. Try to watch every second of it. I will promise you I will not make the video too long, but try to watch everything in it. Everything is too clear, guys? So, by the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about Bitcoin. Every day we put for you 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle it closed, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. You can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it, my friend? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, we be in Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all the week we be in down here. It being no volume here. The time when we break in today. Yes or no? But if we came here and we came here to before from here and we try to draw here a line like that, what you see in here? Where is the time? The volume it's being pushing up is here in that level here. Yes or no? So that volume which is happen here, that one is Monday candle. Yes or no? So tomorrow, guys, maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin going higher. Remember that. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see the Bitcoin going higher. That just our analysis, guys. Maybe it's going to drop. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you guys. The coming news for tomorrow, guys, as you see it, we don't got nothing here. There is no news here. So the only thing we got here is our table. Here, the one, as we follow it every time. Here, what it's telling us? It's telling us something here, guys. Look at US stocks. All of them, they are red today. Today, Monday. All the US stocks, they finish red. And what me been teaching you all the time, guys. I told you in Monday, the market doing against what it's going to do all the week. That's why I'm still believing all the week we're going to see the Bitcoin going higher, guys. Let's wait in tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to give us the confirmation if we're going to go higher or no. So let's wait in tomorrow. And another thing here, very nice, is that one, our friend, the VIX here, what it's showing to us. Yesterday we used to be 23, today we are 22. So the VIX, he couldn't stay above 23 and he go back to 22. That's something very good. But here, the DXY or US dollar, what it's showing to us here, it go up, guys. Yesterday we used to be 106. Today we break that 106 and we are 107. And even here it show it to you. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to show you why me I believe in the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. Let's go there. Here, why me I believe in the Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. Look with me here. By the way, that our indicator, what me I told you here. Look here what you're seeing. And what you're seeing here, guys, you got a divergence, yes or no? Look here, the one here and the one here. Even if you bring in the close here to the one, you're going to find it like that. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you guys. You came like that, you change in from candles to lines like that. What you seeing now? You see the picture is very clear to you or no? Look with me here, the one here, that peak here, the one and the one here. What you seeing? And the one here and the one here. What it telling you? Here in our indicator, it's showing to you here the one that peak here, the one is high. Here down is low. Here, the one is high. The one here is low. So that one is a very clear divergence, guys, in the daily here. Remember that. That is a very clear divergence here in the daily, guys. So what's my view to it? My view to it, I think maybe we're going to see tomorrow another drop to confirm for us the divergence here. But here the trend line also we've been following, it's still very stronger, guys. And when we came to 30 minutes, I'm going to show it to you very clear. So for people they haven't buy yet, started this and started buying. For people they haven't buy yet, started this and started buying. Forget about the rest, what they're telling you. The rest, they never ever trade. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, you, my friend, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, please. Support us, guys. It will not take you that much. Just pause the video now, smashing that like button, writing down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. So please do it, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Look at it. It came here to that supply and demand zone, as we have here. And that candle here, it's finished as a pin bar, and the volume of it, it finished down very high, as you see it down here. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What you see in here in the volume, guys. That one, that red candle, which is low. That green candle here, which is very high volume. If you came to the chart, what you're going to see? Where is the big candle? Is that red one. But the volume of it is very low. That green candle here, the volume of it is very high. Actually, there is one trading strategy only about that, guys. That trading strategy, it's saying when it came a big volume and the price is give you here a pin bar, the market is going to reverse. Everything is too clear. Plus, what me I told you here about the 4 hours, guys. I told you got here that level here and that level here. When it's going to be broken, you can enter short. Now where you are down here. It might from here, you're going to see it falling down. If tomorrow came a candle and breaking down here, a candle came and breaking that level here, that last tail or the last low of that tail I'll show you now. You can enter short, because if we break in here, we are going to 10k, guys. Because that FTX, the news of them, it hasn't finished yet. But me, I'm still believer, guys. I'm still thinking of we are going to go higher again. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us, guys. Picture is too clear to you, and I'm going to come back to you after the European market close. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you guys. Even here, guys, here in the 4 hours, we got a very clear divergence here, guys. A very clear one, like how it happened here when the Bitcoin fall down, all that falling down. I'm going to show it to you. Let me show it to you. What you see in here, guys? Look at that peak here and that one here. Compared to that one here, what you seeing? You got a very clear divergence here, guys. Look at it. It's a very clear divergence here, guys, in the 4 hours. So let's wait in now the bus to start pushing up, guys. I'm going to come back to you and I'm going to confirm all those things to you. Everything is too clear, guys? So it might tomorrow to come and to touch here, to touch the oversold, but it's going to give us a more clear divergence. Yes, it's not yet showing to us it's going to reverse, but we need to wait in tomorrow, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for picture to be more clear to you. The one here, we stay here at the oversold area. That means there is nothing yet here. Price action, what we got? What the price action I show you? I told you got that 2 levels. That too. It's need the market to come to break here. But now I'm going to give you a new price action, guys. Look at it. You came like that, you draw in like that. You see it or no? If now the Bitcoin came and break in here, you enter long, guys. Remember that. You enter long because I got a divergence in the daily. We got it in the weekly. And we got it even in 30 minutes, guys. We are going to go there and I'm going to show it to you. So in all those things, there is a divergence that the market is telling you the market is going to reverse. Remember my word, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Look here in 30 minutes, guys, that trend line, how it's looking to you here. You see it or no? We touch it here. By the way, that one is a weekly trend line. We touch it here. Now it's showing here. It's going up. In the last video where we used to be here, I told you we got here a double bottom here. I told you if it's breaking up here, you enter long. Did it break? No, my friend. It fell down. So should you enter now? You need here a price action indicating for you the market is going to reverse. Till now there is nothing there. Only price action you can draw there is that one, that channel like that. But that one you need the market to come and to break up here for you to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, we are here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger level. Actually, is a weekly level. Price action, I'll show you the price action. You need to wait in the break here to happen, guys. That break here to happen. Plus, let me show you the divergence, guys. Look here, the divergence, guys. Look here. You see it here and look here. You see it or not? It's a very, very clear divergence. Look at here at that place compared to that place. And look here compared to here. You got a very, very clear divergence, guys. So also now we got a divergence in the weekly, a divergence in the daily, a divergence in the 4 hours, and a divergence in 30 minutes, guys. All those ones, they are divergence. What we waiting now, just a price action to be broken, guys. We're going to enter with all our eyes closed. Bitcoin is very, 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 very close to reverse, guys. Remember that. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now.